Hey, good Saturday, everybody. Hope everybody's having a great, warm Saturday so far. So today, guys, is another topic about certain diseases that have escalated since COVID-19 2020 and that I've been working on helping quite a few people in the last 3 years. And I'm going to keep doing these types of videos until maybe I will get one person that actually will want to reverse their disease and want to actually become healthy for the rest of their life and take it seriously as well. See, that's the problem, guys, is that even though some of us health professionals are doing these videos on certain diseases that have escalated in the last 2 or 3 years, people who have these diseases just are not taking it seriously, thinking the medication and the doctors are going to help them to reverse it when the doctors know medication doesn't even affect, it doesn't even go after the root cause. And what diseases am I talking about? I'm talking about prediabetes epidemic. I'm talking about type 2 diabetes epidemic. I'm talking about fatty liver disease. No one's talking about that one. Epidemic. I'm talking about high blood pressure. Most of you may know somebody that's on high blood pressure medication and have high blood pressure for a long period of time. Epidemic. And of course, being overweight is also an epidemic. According to the research, 75 to 80% of the American public is overweight. And guess what? That's one of the main root causes of these diseases I just mentioned, because what's going on is there's a hormone that's causing you to be overweight, that's causing you to get one of these diseases that is out of control. That's the problem. And most of your doctors or nutritionists aren't going after the actual root cause, and they're not monitoring if their body is actually reversing whatever type of disease they have not because of the type of food you're eating. Guys, to control these diseases or to reverse these diseases, you have to go after the root cause. And the root cause is caused by the standard American diet, how often you're eating that standard American diet, the amount of toxic processed foods you're eating as well. And one of the biggest issues they're finding now, and they're finding it in a lot of the new scientific case studies, is how toxic the water is you're drinking. And so, guys, what I've done is I've put together a program. It's an online coaching program that actually goes after the root cause of all these diseases. If you focus on that root cause of these diseases, the byproduct is always going to be losing that belly fat or body fat or that excess fat weight that you're carrying around that is causing one of these diseases. That is the byproduct. But first of all, you got to change your lifestyle or it's not going to work, and it's all natural. So what I've done is I've published some training books that go along with my online coaching program, not only to lose that belly fat or body fat or that fat weight, but to reverse these diseases that I mentioned, because we are going after the root cause, and we're actually going to monitor to make sure that the foods we have changed is actually going to be switching your body. Now, one of the training books is called Ketosis. So the first thing you have to do is change the types of foods you're eating. That will get you into an environment known as ketosis. All ketosis is you're taking your body, you're switching the primary energy source that is used for you to operate throughout the day to a more of a fat burning environment, and getting away from the sugars and the high carbs, glucose energy system. The next training book I have is going to explain what fat adaptation is and ketone adapted. You must become fat adapted and ketone adapted in order to be able to reverse these diseases and lose that belly fat or body fat or fat weight you're trying to lose. And that's what's going to control the hormone that's causing the issue. Then the next training book is called autophagy. That's the ultimate goal. That's what's going to change your whole life, is autophagy. That's going to change how your body reacts to certain foods. That's going to change your energy level. That's going to change a whole lot of internal body health. That's going to change everything. And it's all natural. And your body has natural mechanisms to fight and reverse all these diseases. But people just aren't getting it. And so all my online courses, for whatever issue you have, includes these training books that give you a step-by-step on what the root cause is, the solution of the root cause, and then why are so many people getting the results. And every one of these books I've published, and there's multiple of different books, are all backed by scientific case studies. And many of today's doctors are now using this natural way, the own body's mechanism, to reverse most all the diseases out there, and that's including killing cancer cells by starving them. Did you know that? Doctors are now showing other doctors their MRIs of cancer tumors that have actually been shrunk when the person's body has been changed into ketosis. Then, after consistently of being in ketosis and monitoring it, then they become fat adapted and what they call ketone adapted. When you become fat adapted and ketone adapted, you get into the most healthiest environment known to man on this planet, and it's called autophagy, and it's very simple to research it. Go to Google Scholar. You'll see all the brand new case studies about how important autophagy is for a healthy lifestyle. So you guys can go to my bill at billmabrycoaching.com. Either ask for a free Zoom consultation or just throw me some questions. But guys, if you know somebody with one of these diseases, or if you've been overweight for a long period of time and you haven't gotten one of these diseases, it's only a matter of time. Share this video. You guys have a great day.